Welcome back to Houston Life. Functional health is one of the fastest growing wellness trends because it focuses on treating the root cause, not just symptoms. And our friends from the Antiage Institute are here to break down the rise of peptides, what they are, who they're for, and why where you go for treatment truly does matter. Please welcome Dr. Richard Lacconi, registered nurse Julie Cathy, and Caroline Greaser, who works at Antiage Institute, but is also a patient. And Caroline, we've known each other now 10 years.
Yeah.
And do we have Caroline's before and after photo? I would love to start there because you seem younger now, Caroline, than you did 10 years ago. This is the same person on your screen. You can't see, but Caroline's covering her face right now. Talk to us, how did you achieve this result, and how do you feel today versus 10 years ago?
Well, today I feel amazing, and it started with going to Antiage Institute in 2008 for hormone replacement therapy. And Dr. Lacconi was one of the pioneers in that, and I was going through menopause, and it totally changed my life. What it would have been versus what I am now is transformational.
And you feel good, you look great.
Totally. Thank you.
Full
I
of
really
energy.
do.
You're always in a good mood, too.
I would say that's part of hormone therapy, too.
That's really interesting. And hormone therapy, this is something that Dr. Lacconi, for years, many of us have been hearing about. Now it's like finally caught up, like it's the trendy thing. What's strange to me as an outsider is it seems like you can get it at the local gas station almost. You know, everyone's advertising peptides, hormone therapy. People can get into trouble if they're not going to a place where there is a doctor supervising their process.
Absolutely. I mean, you'll see this where you can get on a website and fill out a two-question questionnaire, and next thing you know, you get a box of hormones in the mail. And I think that's truly absurd because it's complicated endocrinology, truly. I mean, and everybody's is different. I say all the time to people, I hardly think that there's more than 2 or 3 people in my entire 3,000 patient array that take the same exact combination. It's got to be customized. It's got to be tailored.
It's not like taking a vitamin, right? And I mean, I feel like a lot of people who are even interested in peptides might not even know what peptides are. So can you break it down for us?
Right. I mean, you could say they're a form of hormone. Most of them are indirectly related to hormones, and they trigger other hormones that regulate, regeneration in your body, renewal, healing of wounds, et cetera. There's a quick list. Yes, some of the GLP-1s help with fat loss. That's a very good thing. There's another one that has GLK, with copper peptide, as well known. You can actually buy that as a cream for your skin. So
muscle growth, recovery. I mean, the list
Absolutely.
of benefits is huge. Nurse Julie Cathy, it's so nice to see you.
Good to see you.
And when people come in to see you and potentially get on a program like this, you start with a baseline of a blood test, correct? To sort of see what's happening with their bodies and see where they can go. So can you talk us through the process?
Sure, yeah, we just want to make sure that everything is in line. We have a good baseline that we can go off of if we need to for the future. And that way, Dr. Lacconi reviews everything, we review everything to ensure that it's actually safe for you to start on a certain protocol.
And Nurse Julie, you also have a personal experience with this as well. So how does that inform you when you're seeing other patients?
So I've been doing some peptides for about 6 months now. And I can say that my tone and definition in my body is definitely very different than pre-peptides. And I'm able to lift a little bit more in the gym. My workouts feel a little bit different. Recovery feels a little bit different. So I'm personally experiencing the benefit.
And we saw moments ago on our screen a list of the different types of peptides offered by the Anti-Age Institute. What are people saying when they're coming to your office? Are they trying to lose weight, trying to build muscle? Are they just feeling sluggish and tired, stressed out, not like themselves? Or is it kind of like all of the above?
All of the above.
Really?
Yeah.
that's what I was thinking.
Really? So like sick and tired of being sick and tired, right?
Right.
And a lot of people, Caroline, I mean, you shared your experience. A lot of people might chalk it up to just saying, you know what, I'm getting older and this is just part of getting older. But you were telling me today before the show that you had this last little bit of weight that no matter what you did,
Yeah.
diet and exercise, you couldn't get rid of it.
No, and I couldn't, and now I have, and it was through the GLP-1 that is a form of a peptide, and Nurse Julie helped me through the program, and I've kept all the weight off.
Do your patients run up and hug you when they see you? Because
Yes, they do.
I'm a patient of yours. I'm a client. I come to the office for a variety of things. I feel like the Anti-Age Institute is part of my arsenal, like my secret weapon. You all know we tell all of our friends and family to come and see you. But you've seen patients, you've had many patients who are longtime patients. They've been coming to you for years, and you've seen their physical and emotional transformations because of what you offer.
Definitely. I think, there's a number of patients since we started offering peptides in addition that tell me they've never had their body fat in the teens since they were in, college or something like that. So it really works well in conjunction with the entire hormone management program. So it's just another tool in the toolkit.
We're looking at video right now of the in-body machine, which is scanning everything from your BMI, your body mass index, to your visceral fat, the fat that is around your organs. This is an example, and again, because I am a client, full disclosure, I know how important it is to be medically supervised when doing any sort of peptide program. Nurse Julie, for anyone out there who's encountering advertisements on social media, peptides, do this, try that. What's your word of advice or caution to someone before beginning a program?
At the end of the day, it's a medication that you are taking, and so you want to ensure that you are going to someone under the guidance of a physician that can medically supervise you along the way. Just because it's readily available doesn't mean that it is safe for you to take. I mean, there's a joke going around, you can get sushi at a gas station.
Ooh.
Doesn't mean you should.
It doesn't mean
Right,
you should.
right.
Well, Dr. Rich Lacconi, Julie Cathy, Caroline Greaser, thank you so much for stopping by
Thank you.
and helping us
you.
understand better. The world is changing so fast, right? It's great we have these tools at our disposal, but you want to be safe and you want to feel good and be healthy.
Yeah.
Thanks to all three of you. It's great to see you. Anti-Age Institute does have a special offer for Houston Life viewers: free lab work to start your peptides and/or weight loss program, plus $250 off your initial lab work for the hormone replacement program. Antiageinstitute.com is the website to learn more. You can also pick up the phone and call 832-648-4933.